Good morning to all. Today's topic is India's nuclear program. See, Department of Atomic Energy has been pursuing the three-stage nuclear power program. The first stage comprises setting up pressurized heavy water reactors and associated with fuel cycle facilities. And second stage gives the setting of fast breeders reactors backed by reprocessing plants and plutonium based fuel fabrication plants. This is on the demonstration stage. And third stage is based on uranium thorium 233 cycle. Here uranium 233 is obtained by irradiation of thorium. This technology is currently in development stage. Here one fact is fast breeder reactor, which means it is a reactor in which fertile material is converted into fissile materials with the help of fast neutrons. For example, conversion of uranium 238 to plutonium 239. Here fertile material is provided either in the fuel form or in the breeder blanket surrounding the core. Then fast neutrons are needed for breeding. Here moderator is not used in a fast breeder reactor. Liquid sodium is used as a coolant because of its high boiling point. Water cannot be used as primary coolant because it's act like a moderator. Here breeder reactor which produces much more plutonium than the fuel that it consumes. Here plutonium is chemically different from uranium. Its separation from the remaining uranium is more. As a non-fissionable material, thorium is more abundantly available than uranium. Then breeder reactors are developed to convert thorium to uranium. But here breeding is done with slow neutrons. That breeder reactors are known as slow breeder reactors. Here the first nuclear reactor was developed by Enrico Fermi and his associates in 1942. Fermi was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1938 for producing transuranic elements by neutron irradiation and for his discovery of nuclear reactions brought about by thermal neutrons. Here the first Indian atomic power reactor, namely Apsara, was commissioned in 1956. Later other reactors like Cirrus, Zerlina, Purnima, Dhruva, Kamini, etc. were developed. So this is the information related to India's nuclear program. And we know that fertile and fissile materials, a material which is fissionable, it undergo fission, that is fissionable material. For example, uranium 235 to 233, plutonium 239. And non-fissionable material means which convertible into fissile material into fertile materials. For example, uranium 238, thorium 232. So this is the information of fissile, fertile, breeder reactors and India's nuclear program. Another important topic is four-factor formula. Here in case of uranium 235 nucleus, it is bombarded by a thermal neutrons in a fuel moderator assembly. Here fast neutrons are emitted. Here some of them collide with uranium 238 before colliding with the moderator atoms. Then the number of fast neutrons increases. Before slowing down the fast neutrons in moderator as a fraction of the fast neutrons escape from the assembly. The remaining neutrons get slowed down by collisions with the moderator atoms. As we all know that conversion of uranium 238 plus, it bombards with neutron, it gives uranium 239, it further it undergo fission neptunium plus electron. In this case, the probability of neutron escaping resonance capacity by uranium 238, then the number of neutrons which get slowed down to thermal values, that is, some of the slow neutrons may diffuse and escape from the system. Let's say LT, it is the fraction of thermal neutrons escaping. The number of slow or thermal neutrons remaining will be that is factor of fission, fast fission factor. The remaining thermal neutrons, a fraction of F is absorbed by fraction of neutrons absorbed by uranium and other structural materials, moderator, etc. Then factor F is called thermal utilization factor. Thus the number of thermal neutrons available for chain reactions. Then the fraction of thermal neutrons absorbed by uranium that cause fission of uranium 235, called that as sigma F of U divided by sigma of A of U. Here sigma F of U, that is fission cross section for uranium 235, and sigma A of U, that is A means here absorption cross section for uranium. Then the number of second generation thermal neutrons which causes fission of uranium 235 for each generation, then it is called as multiplication factor. Here there are two conditions. In case of infinite fuel moderator assembly, we can assume that there is no leakage of thermal or fast neutrons. Then K factor, that is, it is also known as 4-factor formula. K equals epsilon neta Fp. If K factor, that is K infinity equals 1, the condition is critical. Critical means the number of neutrons remains constant in each generation, hence a controlled chain reaction takes place. Here controlled chain reaction takes place. If K infinity is less than 1, here the condition is subcritical, and here the chain reaction cannot take place. If K infinity is greater than 1, it is supercritical stage, that is uncontrolled chain reaction takes place. So this is 4-factor formula information. This process is used in uncontrolled chain reaction, that is in nuclear bomb explosion. Here it cannot be energy released within a short interval of time, that is supercritical stage or uncontrolled chain reaction. This is the discussion of breeder reactors, India's nuclear program, and 4-factor formula.